Hey folks, it's Wade the Shoe Dog. So if you wanna, okay, you want to make leather shoes, you want to learn how to make sneakers, awesome, you're in the right place. But listen, if you want to make one of these and you haven't made shoes before, then I'm not going to tell you your business, but let's slow your roll a little bit. I want to show you how to get started so that you can build up to that, right? So come on over here to Books, Kits, and Tools. Books, Kits, and Tools. And we have a thing called Leather Sneaker Kits. And this is where you can basically get yourself started to make a pair of sneaks like this, right? Here's the low cut version. The same kit allows you to make the high cut version. So what you're going to see here is we've got 4 basic kits to start with. Let's do this actually. Okay, there we go. We got 4 kits to start with. We've got, if you've got a bunch of tools already, then just the pattern is good. But again, this is just the pattern. If you want to get the pattern, the outsole, and basic tools, great. If you want to go more full boat and get leather pieces, then here. If you want to move on and get a last and more advanced material so you can have a hung lining and all that stuff, then you want to get over here. Next is if you want to get involved in making your own patterns. We have an entire book here, and this is a kit that has a last, pattern, tape measure, and this pattern making book. Well, here I got one right here. It goes through all the basics that you're going to need to know to make your own pattern at home. Now, once you're on this page, you can scroll down, and we have all the individual pieces: last, outsoles, patterns, all the materials that you're going to need, for more advanced builds. And if you keep going, we've got all kinds of tools to help you get started. So again, like I go, you want to make a pair of shoes, great, fantastic. You want to make a pair of Air Jordans, slow down. Now, hey, you want to make a pair of Air Jordans, you can come on over here to our online courses. Come to our course catalog, scroll down about halfway here. You're going to see Build It with Gavika. My friend Eric, he will show you how to make a pair of Air Jordans. Again, this is a mission. You're going to need some basic skills. So your first shoe should be something more like this. Get yourself started, start to learn the techniques, and then you can get yourself onto Air Jordan. All right, folks, that's it. If you want to make leather shoes, we've got, oh, I forgot here. Hold on. There's more here. So we're going to go over here to leather sneaker kits, and we're going to pick our box build kit, right? Common one. Come into this item. It shows you everything that's in the kit. But if you scroll down, we've got some videos here. This is just me explaining what's all in the kit. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Keep going. And you'll find here's a rough, like what's in the kit. That's cool. If you come all the way down to the bottom here, there's a 17-minute unboxing, shows you every single piece. And then this is a 4-hour video of me building the kit. And if you come over to our YouTube page, there's a whole nother video where my friend makes the kit. So again, you don't have to guess. You don't have to hunt around for the materials. They're all here. Just pick your size, pick what leather color you want and the outsole you want. Wham bang, we put it together for you. Everything you need, the basic stuff is there. Now, if you want to move on to an Jordan, go check out that course, and you can find everything you're going to need to learn how to do there. And otherwise, check out our shoemaking blog, where we've got all kinds of posts. We just put up one recently about shoe glues, right? So I went and bought all the different shoe glues you can get on Amazon, and we just give them a little rundown so you can see what glue is like workable, right? The answer is they're all pretty decent. There's a whole video on that. So anyways, folks, you want to learn how to make leather sneakers, you're in the right place. We'll get you started. Bye.